workpiece size. A bracket for fixing the gauge to the machine is needed, and the final setting is done by means of a compensator H. You can see here there is a compensator is provided. By operating this, we can do the final setting so that we can achieve an accuracy of 1 micron repetitively. Now let us study another type of auto sizing system wherein we have dual fingers. So this is known as dual finger gauge head. The diagram is shown here. This is the body of the gauging head, which houses the transducer. Uh, Either capacitive or strain gauge sensors are used in this system, and two fingers are there. These two fingers will be in contact with the workpiece, which is being ground. As the diameter reduces due to the continued grinding, the fingers will be always in contact with the workpiece because of the spring force acting, and since the fingers move closer, the capacitance or strain will be changed, and that changed electrical characteristic is supplied to the electronic circuit, that is control unit, which will display the size, and when the correct size or the desired size of the workpiece is reached, a relay will be operated to withdraw the gauging head from the workpiece. So in this photograph you can see this is the uh, workpiece being ground, and we can see the grinding wheel, and we can see the coolant jet, and then the fingers which are in contact with the workpiece. And gauge controllers are provided along with the gauge head for data storage and for zero setting. A multi-diameter gauging is also possible by using multiple finger sets. Now, what are the features of dual finger auto sizing device? See, precise diameter control is possible, and real-time control is possible. And setting of the gauge head on the workpiece takes very little time, around half a minute per setup. Stainless steel body is used so that the complete setup does not get corroded uh, due to the usage of water-based coolants, and a repeatability of 0.004 millimeter is possible at 5.15 sigma level. Integrated air retraction system is available for retracting the wheel head when the correct size is reached. Externally adjustable contact force over travel and retraction is possible. This gauging system can be used either for dynamic parts, or it can also be used for gauging the static parts. The range of operation is for 5 to 200 millimeter on OD and 12 to 165 millimeter on ID. The dual finger gauge system can be used for plain outer diameters or interrupted outer diameters, and this can also be used for gauging inner diameters. So the retraction amount of finger is 2.5 degree per finger. So when the correct size is reached, the fingers get retracted. That means the finger will swing back, and then the gauging unit is withdrawn. So retraction mechanism, air pressure is about 5 bar, and the total weight of the dual finger set is about 1.56 kg, and the system can be used for gauging armatures, bearings, bushings, camshafts, crankshafts, cylinder linings, drills, impeller shafts, motor shafts, pistons, reamers, rotors. So like this, it can be used for gauging many industrial parts. Now in the schematic diagram, we can see the grinding wheel, the workpiece mounted suitably, and then we can see the dual finger gauge head. The signals from the gauge head will be sent to the machine control unit via the measurement control unit. When the desired size is reached, machine control will send a signal to the wheel head for retraction. Now you can see in this photograph the two fingers in contact with the workpiece which is being ground, and here you can see the gauge head in action. The grinding wheel it is grinding the workpiece, and this is the gauge head, two finger gauge head. In this photograph you can see that the dual finger gauge head can be used for so in this photograph we can see that the auto sizing device, that is caliper type gauge head, can be used for online inspection of crank shafts. This is the close view of the crankshaft gauging. This is the grind wheel, and this is the gauging head. We can see the shoes and the plunger which will be in contact with the ground surface. Now in this diagram we can see the arrangement for online gauging of the crankshafts. The crankshaft will be rotating, and the gauging head will rotate along with the workpiece, that is crankshaft. Also it will move up and down because of the crank. So this is the gauging head which will be mounted on the wheel head. So there are some gauging heads in process measurement systems for measurement of diameter as well as for measurement of roundness. So one such gauging unit we can see in this photograph. So the diameter measurement, different models are available. In this model, workpiece diameter range will be 24 to 90 millimeter. Stroke, that is the stroke of the gauging head, will be up to 120 millimeter. Measurement speed is